Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you guys are doing good. I am back here with my Hot Wheels showcase, and this is our beauty for today review and unboxing. This is track manga from Speed Block series 3 of 10, also from the track source, the car number 86, back side of the card. Our baby track manga is ready for review and unboxing on the showtime. Dear friends, our concept beauty is here. This pretty car is the second release from Hot Wheels, the first one released in last year. Nice paint job, lovely wheels, great finishing of interior, and the smoky window. Here is a closer view, you guys can check. This is a Hot Wheels in Japanese language, and the lightning tempos on the doors and hood, and small one on the rear side. White interior with some cool details. A right hand drive vehicle. The front spoiler is moving, you guys can check. The smoke window is looking awesome. Nice details on the rear side. And the grey base. Dear friends, thank you so much for watching. Please give a big like to the video. Have a great Friday guys, and I hope all of you guys have a great weekend ahead. Take care, stay blessed. Love you all. Bye bye.